You can always. All right, good morning, everybody, and a very, very warm welcome to you for our empowering morning conversations. So today is another wonderful day, as you can see, and we have all of you wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary people here with us. And let's make this one of the most wonderful days in our life. So as you know, I always say every experience is an opportunity to become a better version of ourselves. Similarly, every day is an opportunity for us to create a life of adventure. So let today be a glorious adventure. Okay? And this adventure starts now. So good question, which I ask myself almost every day is, how can I be a better version of myself today? So when we ask this question, there's some very interesting thoughts which pop up. How can I be a better version of myself today? Isn't it? How can I be a better version of myself today? So when I ask this question, now before I launch into today's topic and what we're going to do in a little while, and before I get into the explanation about what is empowering morning conversations and what can you get out of it. Now, most of you are regulars, so you already know that, but there will be some new people who join. So it's good for them to know also what they're getting into, isn't it? So what is empowering morning conversations? Empowering morning conversations is an opportunity for us to keep on keeping ourselves, that we are able to remain positive in the face of the onslaught of negativity that is bombarding us every day. So have you noticed that a lot of negativity comes from the outside? Raghu. Good morning, Raghu. So a lot of this negativity comes from the outside and it triggers something on the inside as well. Have you noticed that the world never stops? I mean, the media never stops, the world never stops, people don't stop, they go on and on and on and on. Right? So we are bombarded by outside influences all the time. जो बाहर की दुनिया है वो हमको लगातार बार बार प्रभावित करती जाती है. Now, the world would be a better place if it was influencing us in a positive way, right? कितनी बेहतरीन दुनिया होती अगर परिस्थितियां हमें पॉजिटिव तरीके से प्रभावित करती. But that doesn't happen, no? In fact, you'll find few people who will influence you positively, maybe very few, but most people, poor fellows, they are struggling in their own life. So they may or may not know what they're doing to others, but they end up influencing us negatively. Okay? So what do? We need to be able to at least once in a day get together, recover ourselves and recover our power. All right? Recover our positivity. So I just want us all to remember, positivity is our natural state. Okay? Playfulness, positivity is our natural state. How do I say that? Because we all had it when we were children. As we started growing up, we got bombarded and bombarded and bombarded. And that playfulness, the naturalness, the positivity, and the creativity. So you see, we are very, very creative, always looking for new possibilities, new things to do, excited, want to meet people, all that is happening. But as we grow up and in the process of growing up, ये मत करो, वो मत करो, don't do this, don't do that. Oh, this is dangerous. You have failed. Look at you. What are you doing? So all this negative influences, they make us into a smaller version of ourselves. We are born as the infinite being, okay? And we start becoming smaller and smaller. And we even forget that we are this, wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being. So I have taken it on to remind everybody every day that, listen, you are a wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being, and you deserve to be loved and respected for who you are. And please don't forget that. Not only are you a wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary human being, everybody whom you get in touch with, each and every person that you get in touch with, each and every entity that you get in touch with, each and every living or non-living thing that you get in touch with is all the creations of the same creator that created us. And he does not create defective things. Things are created for the purpose that they are there. Yeah, so viruses are also created to remind humanity, hello, don't become arrogant. I can send a little virus and he'll set you right. Everything has a purpose. So let's appreciate whatever comes to us. Okay. So that's the purpose of the Empowering Morning Conversations. And once you are in that state of positivity, and once you are in a state where you can get out of the survival mode and create your life, then you can have a life which is a life of ease, joy, and glory. So all of you 18 people, I request you to say with me, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. Please say that. All of life comes
to us with joy, ease, joy,
ease, joy, and glory.
All of life.
All of life
Comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. All of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory. And how does it get better than that? That's another good question to ask every morning. How does it get better than this? When you ask this question, how does it get better than this? It can only become better. How does it get better than this? So life is wonderful. Yes, Mr. Sai.
Sir, off late in the last week or so, I've started a new chanting. I've started chanting, whatever my routine prayers with that, I've started this 108 chanting of all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory as well.
Right, it's such a wonderful thing, if you do it, you will see some real magic happening in your life.
Yeah.
Because you see, like I always say, we are creating our life. So when you keep saying it to yourself and start believing it, you're going to create a life of ease, joy, and glory.
Absolutely.
We are the ones who don't create a life of ease, joy, and glory.
Exactly. We complicate things. Even for a simple thing, we complicate it.
Yeah. Somebody was telling me the other day, the default mode of humanity is to be suffering and be miserable. People love to be dukhi, and then they sing songs like Dukhi man mere, sun mera kehna, jahan nahi chena, wahan nahi rehna. So this song says, my sad heart, I don't want to be living in a place where there's no sadness, I want to go to a place of joy. So I'm saying there's no place you will find joy if you don't create it yourself, right?
Exactly.
So when you chant that, all of life comes to me with ease, joy, and glory, what is going to get created? All of life coming to you.
With absolute ease, joy, and glory.
Absolutely. So we are creating life, right? Thank you so much, Kasa, for sharing it. So all you wonderful people, let me just share my presentation with you. Good to use a presentation from time to time, right? So what is this empowering morning conversation? You are already a part of that, okay? And I want to remind you that we all live in a default mode. So what happens in our default mode? Can you remember and recall what are you like when you are in a default mode? All of us have got our own default mode, right? Somebody's default mode is "Main bechara, bina sahara." That is his default mode. Somebody's default mode is "I'm not good enough." Somebody's default mode is "everybody's attacking me." You know, people are out to get me. Somebody's default mode is that people are conspiring against me. Somebody's default mode is "you cannot trust anybody." Somebody's default mode is "I get angry easily." Somebody's default mode is "why do people cheat me all the time?" Look at your default mode. So in this default mode, my dear friends, do we have a choice about how we live? Not much choice, no? We will only react. So we are all very familiar with all the ways in which we react, isn't it? Are you familiar with the way you react? Your family and friends, they know very, very clearly how you react. Yes, Milanji. Please go ahead.
I have a question in this context. Default mode is something which is given to us. It already happens automatically with us, isn't it? Am I right in my understanding?
It is, well, you are not born with it.
Whatever, it somehow has grown with me automatically without me exercising my option.
That's right.
Does
You
it
have no
always,
choice about it.
yeah, does it necessarily mean it has to be always negative? Sometimes it can also be positive, isn't it?
Well, if it is positive, how wonderful can it be? No, we can't complain about that.
I agree. I agree.
Right? I mean, there are some people whose default mode, there's people with high achievement motivation, right? They have to win at any cost.
True.
And some of their default mode is that they're so obsessed by winning that they can leave many skeletons in their wake.
Correct.
They can create many unhappy people around them because their default mode is कि मेरे को तो जीतना ही है.
Clear.
साम दाम दंड भेद मेरे को तो जीतने का है.
True.
What about people like, what is that, Genghis Khan or Alexander the Great? Obsessive, compulsive, winner. So you can call it, or somebody may have a default mode. I should always be humble. If somebody slaps me, I will turn the other cheek.
Gandhiji.
Well, he was one of the very, very different people, I say. I mean, we could have one morning conversation about him.
Yeah.
He did some wonderful things, no doubt. He made all of us believe something which nobody was willing to believe.
He did.
So that is his greatest achievement, I think. Other than that, well. So are you getting it? It need not be all bad. But then again, Milanji, it's all relative, isn't it?
Absolutely, sir. I agree. I agree.
See, what can be very good for that guy may not be so good for his family, right? Like Gautam Buddha, he left his home and his family and he gave Buddhism to the world. Good for the world and good for him. We don't know what happened to the point of view about his family, is it?
Indeed.
So my only point is, see, sometimes people start a big business and they become prisoners of their business.
Absolutely. Get stuck there.
So in a similar vein, what I'm saying is in our default mode, we are a prisoner of our default mode. We will react exactly in the same way. That is what I was talking about before your question came. Let's start noticing how we react. And people who know us, they are able to predict also, okay, now look how he's going to react. Janki, most welcome. Nice to see you again. Have you noticed that we react in the same way? And there are things that we resist. Okay?
Yeah.
And it is very familiar and recognizable by our people in our life and by ourselves also. And you feel, see, this is me. This is the way I am. Isn't it?
Yeah, absolutely.
And then we can continue to be like that. No, I would like to be me. Which me are we talking about? There are two me's, right? One is the infinite being that I am, who came here with a purpose. Then he got trapped in this reaction and resistance wala survival mode. And he forgot all about his mission. And he's living his whole life thinking there must be something better than this. Have you noticed that a lot of times we get this restlessness in us?
Yes.
Even when we are very successful and everything. See, conventional sense, we are very successful.
Mhm.
Because what is convention, the conditioning of our life, has already told us what is the meaning of success means big koti, big bangla, one house here, one house there, big gadi, and lots of money and people's adulation. That is the conditioned our expectation of what success should look like, right?
Yeah.
But your heart is telling you something different.
Mhm.
Are you getting it? Because somewhere your consciousness knows that, hello, this is not what my mission is.
Yeah.
So even like some people, they become so conditioned, and in their survival mode, they think that poverty is my mission.
Mhm.
They espouse and promote poverty. Now, a lot of us live in paradox also, right? On the face of it, we are running after money. They say, sir, but I'm doing so much effort to make money. Money never comes. And when you go deep inside them, they discover that what they are going to do, they are not going to get money because they don't want money. They've got some poverty programming which doesn't let them have money.
Mhm.
So money becomes the biggest bane of their life. So on the one side, they say they want it, but deep in their subconscious mind, they think money is bad, money makes you evil, one should not have too much money, blah, 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 whatever. And they don't even know that's going on. So that's a part of their default mode. So my question is, see, what's the purpose of morning conversations? To get out of our survival mode and create life.
True.
So the moment we use the word create, it tells me that, hello, I have a choice about what I want to create. Nobody is going to come and tell me what I should create. It's my life, I'll create it the way I want. Right? But the moment you try to do that, have you noticed how much opposition you'll get from your near and dear ones?
Yeah.
And so why? They'll say, but we only love you, Baba. We are telling you for your good, Baba.
Mhm.
Can't you see we love you? That's why we are saying.
Hmm.
But that is their default mode, and they have a default mode called love, right?
Mhm.
So many times, these parents will come and tell me, oh, our son is not listening. We want him to become engineer, but he wants to do something else. He wants to become a chef. What a stupid fellow he is, blah, blah, blah. I tell them the story about the eagle. Have you heard the story about the eagle?
No.
Oh, it's wonderful. When the eagle lays the egg, and as you probably know, the eagle will lay the egg in a very inaccessible place,
Right. Remote.
very high in the mountain, right? So when this little eaglet is hatched, okay, and slowly he starts molting, the feathers are coming out. At a particular point of time, the eagle is not waiting to see whether she has trained them to fly or not, okay? She takes this eaglet and pushes him out of the nest, okay?
Hmm.
And this fellow falls down like a stone, frrrr is going. And at some point, his feathers unfurl and he starts flying.
Right.
Do we do that with our children? To the extent we do, they make us proud. So you see a lot of these helicopter moms and helicopter parents, right? Blaming themselves. What did I do wrong? I did everything right. Why is my child like this and like that? Are you saying that? Are we allowing that infinite being to live his life out of choice? Are we allowing that infinite being the freedom to even choose to make mistakes?
No, we don't.
So obviously we don't, because we don't let ourselves do it also.
Mhm.
So if you look at our life is full of shoulds, You know the word should?
Yes.
You should do like this, you should sit like this, you should eat like this. Okay, some of them are very good things that they have programmed us, Respect your elders, brush your teeth every morning, have a bath every day, keep yourself clean. There's a good conditioning also.
Right.
right? Because we want to live, in a sabya way in society. That's fine.
But some are very restrictive.
Yeah, look at the shoulds here.
Hmm.
Like I know this person who is getting a wonderful job somewhere, okay?
Hmm.
And he's so scared of going there. See, had he been a girl, I would still understand a little bit. Ke, chalo, girls are programmed to be timid,
Yeah.
They are not timid, but they are programmed to be timid. Everybody's telling, oh, you're a girl, you can't do this. You're a girl, you can't do that. But this guy is a fellow here. He's a guy. Are they sending him to Mongolia? No. He just has to go from Delhi to Chennai. That's all. Sir, they are sending me to Chennai. How can I take a job in Chennai? Arey Baba, Chennai is not Kala Pani. Yaar. But can you imagine the kind of programming?
Indeed.
I mean, this fellow, his father was after my life, get my son a job somewhere, all right?
Hmm.
So I got him a job in one of the best construction companies in the country.
Hmm.
Okay.
Hmm.
I mean, they have this graduate apprentice scheme. So I got him there. Okay. So they said you'll have to come to Chennai for your training and all that, and then we will post you somewhere on a project.
Hmm.
And the fellow who's jobless for the last 4 years, he never got selected in a campus interview also.
Hmm.
This is an opportunity that he's getting. Now, what kind of programming is there? So finally, after talking to me, he said, yes, you're right, sir, I should take this now.
Hmm.
And next day I said, what happened? Have you sent them the acceptance? He said, no, sir. Why, sir? Sir, I think you better talk to my father.
My God, it's terrible.
I talked to the father. Now look at the father. He's himself an enterprising man.
Hmm.
He came from his village in Bihar and set up a nice shop over here and he's doing a good business.
Hmm.
Okay. But he had the guts to get out of Bihar and come over here. Right? So I bola, sir, why are you not allowing your son to go there? नहीं नहीं इनकी मम्मी नहीं मानती है. Mother is not agreeing.
Just
He's our only son. How can we let him go and stay there? And God knows where. So I said, then fine, you keep him in a house, यार. उसको जरा या कंबल में लपेट के घर में रखो फिर.
jobless, jobless.
नहीं नहीं भगवान का दिया बहुत है सर. मैं कहा ठीक है फिर उसकी किस्मत तुम बर्बाद कर लो. He didn't let that guy go. You know that he's lost an opportunity of a lifetime because of the shoulds which are there in their head.
Atrocious.
I mean, ये should होना चाहिए, ऐसे ही होना चाहिए. Should. You should not talk to this fellow. You should not talk to this. You should not do like this. You should not do like that. And I know many children who are pushed into professions which they hate. I ask them, why are you doing this? Sir,
Parents.
huh? I know guys who passed out from IIT and then they left their job and they became a cinematographer.
Hmm.
One guy left that and he became a lawyer. I said, why?
Hmm.
You get admission in IIT with great difficulty and you are becoming a lawyer. And he said, but I always wanted to be a lawyer. So why didn't you? They didn't let me. They said IIT में ज़्यादा scope होता है. Fellow like you with intelligence should be only in IIT. I said, okay, good for you. But are you seeing something that we are ruled by our shoulds? So if you look at your default mode, you will find that all our shoulds have pushed us into the default mode. You think any child, like I also remember being a child, you think I like being told don't do this and don't do that? When I was a kid growing up, we went to many exotic places my father was posted into. So we were in Dalhousie and we were living in that camp area, right?
Hmm.
So I would take my air gun and just go down into the khud, into the valley all by myself, I had a catapult and all this, and whole day I would disappear over there. And I'd come home and I'll get a tight slap from my father. How can you go roaming around alone? You should have taken the orderly with you. They are worried, they are parents, I understand that. So out of deep love, we end up, constricting. So now don't go anywhere alone. Then after that, you become a quiet fellow, you become a shy fellow. Then they say you have no initiative in your life.
Hmm.
So initiative to tumne mara bhai mera. So I'm telling about me. I don't know, everybody will respond differently to the conditioning. My response was that I became an introverted person who would just sit in his room and read a book. With anything else you try to do, they'll say, why did you do that? Why did you do that? Why did you talk to so and so? You are not supposed to talk to children like that. You know, as a child, you don't have any differentiation, right? All children are same, right? नहीं वो नौकर के बच्चों के साथ तुम नहीं खेल सकते हो. Okay.
Exactly.
So this programming of the shoulds that has been put into our head, you should do only this is there. You can become a doctor, lawyer, or engineer. Everything else is useless. So just see, here we are struggling to be free. You ask anybody, what's your biggest desire in life? I want to be free, sir. I want freedom in my life.
Yep.
What is freedom? So anyway, when we get out of all this negativity, then we can have life, all of life coming to me with ease and
Joy and glory. Indeed.
Isn't that wonderful? And it's possible. It's
Yeah.
possible right now. Because one thing which I've discovered is freedom is here inside me. It's not there outside. And to continue on the same way, this is a very important point I want all of us to consider. What point of view keeps you stuck? See, who you are is nothing but your point of view. So what is point of view? I'm making a statement, a bold statement here. Who we are is nothing but our point of view. What is point of view called in Hindi? Drishtikona. So we all experience being stuck in some place or the other. Okay. So let's understand two things. What is the meaning of being stuck? Are you stuck? Anybody can interact with me on this. If you are experiencing that you are stuck in any part of your life. Sakshi, Shakti, how are you? How are your parents, by the way?
Good morning, sir. Yes, she's doing okay now, but
Okay.
they're asking to do surgery, so I may travel by this week, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. So now my question to everybody, and I'd like you to participate in it so that it becomes real for you. Pick up some areas of your life where you're experiencing being stuck. Yes, Abhinav. After that, I would like Raghu to speak. Nowadays, he's become very silent. I'm getting worried about him. Yes, Abhinav.
So, Sudeepa, where I'm stuck is I'm stuck in my relationship with my father.
Okay.
इतना सारा दुनिया भर के spiritual courses कर डाले, सब कुछ कर डाला, but still उसका impact है. You know, अभी I have to share it with my group, all my morning brothers and sisters that after not doing anything for 2 years, I got a very good job offer. Okay. And my dad wants to show me the job offer, show me the job offer. And I was hesitant to show it to them, finally showed it to him. And he started finding faults. देखो ये टैक्स प्लानिंग गलत है, ऑफर लेटर में वो टैक्स प्लानिंग गलत है, ये ठीक नहीं है, वो ठीक नहीं है. Rather than and I remember, at the age of 21 and a half, I got selected out of 40,000 applications. They selected 2 people. Cadbury India Limited selected just 2 people when I was just 21 and a half. And people well qualified, well experienced, I was selected. They said, Patani, first time we have hired a fresher, to join the sales team. And when I showed my offer letter with all my josh to my father, he actually tore it off. He threw it. Kya ghatiya si job hai? What's the big deal like? He's like, I still have those, that offer letter with me. I just showed you. It is still torn. So I'm stuck. I'm motivated. Then I speak to my father and I'm demotivated. I do not know what to do. Of course, I've got the techniques. अभी कल सुबह मुझे मीटिंग के लिए जहाँ जॉब लगी है जाना था, and then in the morning that episode happened about my offer letters. Then I know I have the technique. I sat down with a piece of paper. I remember ages back you had taught me an exercise of acknowledgement. So I acknowledge myself for this, and then by the end of that, that paper exercise of acknowledgement, I was okay. I was fit enough to really go and meet someone. But so I'm stuck there. How do I get out of this? I can't leave my father.
So what was that question I had just asked 5 minutes
Where
ago?
are you stuck?
What is that point of view that you have that keeps you stuck? So there is a point of view that you have.
Yeah.
I can
yeah.
see a couple of them, but I want you to find out what is that point of view that you have that keeps you stuck.
I think the point of view is that my father should be proud of me.
Yeah, my father should be proud of me. That is a point of view you have. Okay, what other point of view you have?
I think I am not good enough. That is
No,
also
wait,
one.
wait, Sagar, let him interact with me. Don't speak in between.
Okay.
Because it's different for different people, Sagar.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what other point of view do you have that is keeping you stuck? By the way, I'm not asking you what is keeping you stuck in your relationship with your father, by the way.
Yeah.
My question is, what is the point of view that you have is keeping you stuck? Which includes
think-
being stuck with your father also, but
Yeah. I think it is like people should always say nice things about me. तारीफ करें.
right.
People should be proud of me.
Yeah. मतलब मुझे लोगों की अप्रूवल चाहिए.
Approval तो
अप्रूवल ही होती है ना.
but
People
because
should say nice things का मतलब क्या होता है?
most of the times I do what I think is right thing to do for me and for others. I don't see in many areas I don't seek approval.
एक मिनट.
हाँ.
When you say that people should say nice things to me, why should they say
About
that?
me, yeah.
Yeah, what does it mean when they say nice things to you about you? What does it mean to you when people say nice things to you about you, Abhinav? What does it mean to you?
When they say nice things, I'm motivated and I'm inspired.
When they say nice things to you,
Yeah.
you feel motivated. Why? See, there is a point of view over there, no?
Yeah.
When people say nice things about me means I'm a good guy.
Yeah.
If they don't say nice things about me means what?
I'm not good enough.
So I need approval ही हुई ना जब लोग कहते हैं मैं अच्छा आदमी हूं तो मैं अच्छा आदमी हूं नहीं तो नहीं हूं.
नहीं हूँ.
So what is it that makes you take that offer letter and show it to your father for what?
See, when the first time I
How
got
old
in
is your
cancer,
father?
sorry, what did you say?
How old is your father?
Now he's 83. I didn't want to show it to him. He asked for it.
Wait. Don't go into those stories. He's 83 years old, right?
Yeah.
And now you must have felt very proud कि मुझे जॉब मिल गई, अच्छी जॉब मिल गई, चलो पिताजी को दिखाते हैं. Right? But you've been living with your pitaji for how many years?
53.
And you have also had an experience where he tore one offer letter which was such a big thing in your life.
Absolutely.
वो भी याद है तुमको, फिर भी तुम साला पहुंच जाओगे मार खाने के लिए उसके पास.
नहीं, वो तो मारने के लिए अपने पास बुला लेते हैं.
नहीं. You got a job, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I've got a job, I'm going.
Yeah.
Why are you seeking permission at this age? It's a good job, it pays you well. Why do you need somebody's approval to go and do that job?
Yeah, but he insisted that I want to see the job offer.
So then you can also say, I know what you will do when I show you that. You can even ask him, I hope you will not tear my offer letter. I'm afraid to show it to you. बोल दो ना उसको, I'm afraid to show it to you. आपने तो गलतियां ही निकालनी. बोल सकते हो?
नहीं बोल सकता.
That is the way you are getting stuck in life. So be in this question, Abhinav. See, it is not I'm doing right or I'm doing wrong. It's nothing to do with like that. You know, what is my point of view in life that is keeping me stuck? So we have found out 2 or 3 of them. Yeah, that I need shabashi of other people. वो बोलेंगे तो मैं कुछ हूँ, वो नहीं बोलेंगे तो मैं कुछ नहीं हूँ. This is your point of view.
Yeah.
That means the word approval means this. अगर लोग कहेंगे कि अभिनव ग्रेट आदमी है तब वो ग्रेट आदमी है, नहीं तो वो फुद्दू है. Right? So there is a point of view. नहीं दिखाऊंगा उनको लेटर तो क्या हो जाएगा?
कम से कम बोलेंगे तो नहीं वो.
नहीं, आप तुम you are compelled to show him ना.
Yeah. वो बुरा मान जाएंगे. वो बुरा मान जाएंगे. He will get upset. फिर he will discourage me and say उल्टी सीधी बातें.
हाँ तो बट उसने आप कुछ भी करो वो तो वही करेंगे.
हाँ वो तो वही करेंगे।
तो क्यों इनविटेशन दे रहे हो फिर? तुमको कुछ मिलता है उसमें से? मजा आता है? Are
ना,
you a masochist? You like punishment?
no,
Then why are you seeking out punishment? See, for you,
but
the
I have
ultimate
no
goal in
choice.
life. देखो अभी ना अच्छे बुरे की बात नहीं है, मैं भी मतलब मेरा रिश्ता भी ऐसा ही था मेरे पिताजी के साथ, हालांकि इतना बुरी तरह उन्होंने कभी नहीं बिहेव किए, बट मेरे दिल में एक तमन्ना थी कि यार एक बार ना मेरे पिताजी मुझे इज्जत की नजर से देख लें, शाबाशी दे दें, तो मेरा जीवन सफल हो जाए, मेरा जीवन
जीवन
सफल
सफल
हो
हो
जाए,
जाएगा।
है ना? And I'm happy to say that after the com workshop, I mean, I was assisting in it. He was participating in it. Okay.
अच्छा, हाँ हाँ।
So obviously he went home first क्योंकि participants तो पहले चले जाते हैं, तो हम
Yeah.
अपनी completion meeting वगैरह खत्म करके घर पहुंचे, तो I said चलो let me do completion with my father today. Now he understands. उन्होंने com workshop कर लिया तो समझ गए होंगे. I went into his room. It was late at night. मतलब by the time I reached, it must have been around 12:30 in the night. So it was at Himachal Bhavan. You remember Himachal Bhavan?
हाँ, very well.
So this was my house was in Connaught Place. So क्योंकि Himachal Bhavan में था, I was staying with my father only in Connaught Place. So I went into his room. He was lying there. The transistor was on. He's reading his book. He saw me near the door, standing, looking at him. He put the book down. He just did like this, like jiffy देने के लिए. I just went there and he hugged me and he said, "It's all right, sir. It's okay, beta."
You won the whole world.
I got the whole world in that.
So
I did
Deepak,
not
लेकिन
need,
ये
I did not need his appreciation, nothing. मतलब he told me with that gesture, with that hug, कि बेटा, I love you unconditionally. And I'm telling you, so does your dad.
नहीं, he does love me unconditionally. इसमें तो कोई डाउट ही नहीं है।
हाँ, तो
लेकिन
फिर
ये
आप-
वो बोलेंगे कभी नहीं। आपके फादर ने बोल दिया।
नहीं,
मेरे
मेरे फादर
father-
ने तब बोला नहीं,
हम्म,
वो हग ने मेरे को सब बता दिया जो बोलना था, मैं समझ गया, बोलने की जरूरत नहीं थी फिर उसके बाद. You understand? That is why I'm asking you, what is that point of view which you will have to give up so that you get unstuck? Now we have found out where you are stuck in one area. Now look at what is the point of view that keeps you stuck in your relationship with your father. And it has nothing to do with your father, by the way.
Yeah.
So what is the point of view that you have which keeps you stuck in your relationship with your father? Now I want you to find out for
I
yourself.
think the point, I think the point of view is that I did not come up to my father's expectation,
Yeah, and
or
therefore,
rather, he had very high expectations, and I did not come to that expectation.
Iklota, beta, and all that. And what does that mean? If I did not come up to his expectation, therefore I did not come up to my
Therefore,
father's, so he,
he loves me and will take care of me, my like my material needs, but he will never have a appreciation for me.
that's the point of view you have.
Yes.
But I suspect there's some other point of view that you have.
Okay.
ये भी हो सकता है ना कि he hates me, but वो तो अपनी ड्यूटी निभा रहे हैं क्योंकि मैं उनका इकलौता बेटा हूं.
नहीं, ऐसा तो नहीं है. मतलब I banged my scooter, broke my head in 22 pieces, and I remember how he took care of me. So hate तो नहीं हो सकता. But,
अगर हेट नहीं है तो क्या
I broke my
क्या करें? मेरे हनुमान के जैसे अपनी
नहीं,
छाती
it's
फाड़
like-
के दिखा दें तेरे को. So that be clear, you have a stuck point of view, that is, unless I get the approval of my father, I am nobody.
Yes, absolutely.
All right. So are you willing to give up that point of view? Because it's only a point of view, na? It's a very interesting point of view, but it's only a point of view.
Can you repeat that? What you say? Until I get the approval of my father, I'm nobody.
That is your point of
That's
view.
what you
No, I
said.
am nothing.
My point of view. हाँ, I'm not.
मतलब वो क्वालिटी चेक टिक उनका लगना चाहिए.
हाँ.
मतलब क्वालिटी अप्रूवल मार्क ISI मार्क जो होता है,
हम्म.
AVM साहब का जब तक ठप्पा नहीं लगेगा तब तक मैं कुछ नहीं हूं. That's what you believe.
Yes.
बट उनका जो अनकंडीशनल लव है, इट मीन्स नथिंग. You see how the interesting point of view works, no?
Yeah.
He loves me unconditionally. He's looking after me unconditionally. Everything he's doing, but he never says, "Beta, good job." Therefore, I am a useless fellow.
Yeah.
So, which is the point of view you'll have to give up? And it's nothing only, it's not only with your father, by the way, you yourself said it.
Yeah.
अगर लोग शाबाशी नहीं करेंगे तो आई एम नथिंग. सिमिलरली पिताजी तो अल्टीमेट लोग हैं, तो वो शाबाशी नहीं करेंगे तो मैं बिल्कुल ही फुद्दू हूं. So that is your point of view, not anybody else's.
Yeah.
तो ये किसका दृष्टिकोण है?
मेरा.
तो किसको छोड़ना होगा?
मुझे छोड़ना होगा.
तो क्या कितनी आपको करोड़ रुपए चाहिए जिसके साथ आप छोड़ेंगे इस दृष्टिकोण को?
मैं लेकिन कैसे छोड़ू? तो मेरे लिए रियलिटी है, बिल्कुल सच्चाई है मेरे लिए. तो ये
नहीं, मत छोड़ो, उसको पकड़ के रखो यार.
मैं छोड़ना चाहता हूँ, बट मुझे पता नहीं कौन सी गोली खाऊं कि मैं छूट जाए.
छोड़ दो. The very simple way is to not to be more serious on this. See, it is a point of view. Do you get it?
Yes.
Point of view means what? मेरा दृष्टिकोण है.
मेरा दृष्टिकोण है.
So whenever this point of view comes up, you just say, "Oh, that's an interesting point of view I'm having, and it's interesting that I have this point of view."
Yeah.
इतना पहचान लेना, even if you recognize that this is only my point of view, that is whenever this thought comes, oh, he never is going to appreciate me. What should you say? You should say, "Oh, Abhinav, that's your very interesting point of view you have. Wow. It's interesting that you have this point of view. Fantastic.
Yeah.
Shabash, beta. Your point of view is great. Yeah. Keep it."
Yeah.
So very soon you will see that it's only absurd that you should hold on to it's a point of view. But it's a point of view.
Yeah.
See, maybe your father is just operating in default mode. बच्चे की तारीफ करोगे तो बिगड़ जाएगा. So he's in his default mode.
Yeah.
And just Rama just reminded me, there's another very interesting thing you can do. It's called the crazy statement.
Yeah.
You know which is the crazy statement we are talking about? Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. So say it 10 times and you'll be free. जब भी ये point of view आएगा, you say that crazy statement. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be.
Everything is opposite of what appears to be, and nothing is opposite of what it appears to be.
Great. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
And by the way, this interaction with Abhinav, and I'm very proud of Abhinav that he's so open and willing to discuss with you all publicly. See, the purpose of doing that is that all of you are stuck in some point of view or the other. You can discover what it is and get off it. Yes, Milanji.
Without getting into the specifics of the conversation that you had with Abhinav Ji, see, I personally felt that probably he was very rigid in his opinion. Maybe his father is making certain gestures where he's probably accepting or appreciating his action, but he's not seeing it. He's very much stuck into the fact that he has to say it in so many words that you have done it well, which he's not doing it. Maybe he has got it another way. So I thought probably
that is why Milanji, it is called stuck point of view.
Exactly, sir. Exactly.
See, now I can give you 100 reasons. Father is looking at the offer letter carefully and pointing out that this is the mistake in the offer letter because he's looking after the interest of his child.
True.
He's an experienced man. He was a founder director of Polaris. He's not a small man.
Indeed.
Right?
Indeed.
So he's looking at the offer letter critically. कि बेटा गलती ना करें लोग. They should not take advantage of you. That's his point of view.
Have those things rectified, indeed.
Yeah, but see, but Abhinav is stuck in his point of view. That's why I'm saying, what is the point of view that is keeping you stuck in life? And it's stuck point of view. Matlab, we are so stuck with that point of view. For example, I discovered yesterday that I have a stuck point of view that I can never lose weight. So if I have a stuck point of view that I can never lose weight, I'm never going to lose weight. So when you are not able to get unstuck from your stuck point of view, then you can use the crazy statement also. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. So you can scramble your brains a bit. Are you getting it? So, question to everybody. Are you able to? Yeah, Raghu Garu, we are waiting for you to speak, sir. How can you not speak? You are far most. I was going to give you the best participant award, and now you're disappeared.
No, I'm not disappeared, sir. It is the right question at the right moment for me also, because most of the time recently I just got struck with too much of office stress. That's why I'm not able to focus too much on to deliver my speech or whatever, anything in this forum. One point I would like to say about my profession. We have just talked about one of your friends, and when I graduated, I thought I should work for a very, very small firm, gain knowledge, and then go to a very bigger firm, and then I should start up my own. But what happened after late, some place where you fail, in this office atmosphere where you fail, which is not me as a failure, but they make you as a failure because as a business motivation, business module, when you go and ask for a rise, they say, no, still you have to improve a lot. So then we will think of it. So that put me, that struck me that, oh, okay, really still I have to learn. So whatever I thought about going a small firm to a bigger firm, still we have to learn. Then only I can be on my own. So I got struck very badly on that. Later, off late, in between also, I used to do a lot of my freelancing work when I was in India. All the clients were happy. But somehow I just carried away, and then I came here. Off late, like I shared in last week Empower Morning conversation, but one client, with out of all the stress, one client came here and then he said, no, I want you to design for my house. And then I designed it by last Thursday, and I was very happy that I've got many things from many people, but you are the only one who come to me with the solutions what I wanted. So I'm very happy, and he stuck with me now. So this helps me that I should just go start on my own. There's no point in waiting for anymore. That some people will be there for me. So that where I got struck, and then at least this one helped me to understand about it. And Mr. Kunen used to tell, and then you used to tell about be in the present. So that helped. Now I'm seeing that the person what he told me is maybe a life-changing things for me now.
Good. Thank you very much for sharing it, and good to have you back, man.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
All right. So, Kasha, I hope you're going to answer my question of where are you stuck in your life? What point of view is keeping you stuck in whatever situation you are stuck?
With my current reality, sir, and all these days I was thinking I don't have the energy or the power to outgrow this, but now I see I have the energy, the power, and the intelligence to outgrow this situation.
Because you gave up a particular point of view that you were carrying for so long.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
Good. So next, come on, guys. This is an opportunity for you to work with me and get off it. Yes, Acharya sir.
Okay, so good morning, everyone. I always feel that I am not good enough in anything at all. Not in business, not in with relations with my family, not with myself. Also, I am not good enough. Not with my girlfriend, not with friend, I feel this kind of feeling of having, I'm not good enough, or I have to do something, or I have to do something to be the good enough for the people around me and for myself. I am not a complete enough. I feel like that always.
So you will go, can you see that you will always be stuck in it as long as you don't give up this point of view. So are you willing to at least accept that this is only your point of view? You see, you make a statement, I am not good enough. Correct?
Yeah.
I am not good enough. Is it the truth?
Is it? Yeah. It is true also. For me, it is true.
Yeah, if it is true for you, then it will keep you stuck. But is it the truth? Like really?
No, not really. It's not
Right?
truth,
So
really.
it's only a point of view, na? आपका दृष्टिकोण है कि I am not good enough. It is only your point of view. That's it. Are you willing to accept that this is my point of view that I am not good enough? ये मेरा दृष्टिकोण है.
Yes, this is my point of view that I am not good enough. But somewhere I also feel, when people blame me, I feel that I am not good enough. When people blame
So
me.
when you have a point of view, you will always keep on seeking evidence to prove yourself right.
Yes, right.
See, you have a dristikon, you already believe it, correct? And you will look for evidence to prove it right.
Yes.
Now, have you noticed something, Sagar? If somebody appreciates you, you will not accept that also. Your mind will say, "नहीं, साला मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहा है. ये तो ऐसे ही बोल रहा है मेरे को खुश करने के लिए. He is only trying to encourage me."
I feel sometimes when somebody appreciate me, I fly, sometimes, but sometimes I also doubt he's just motivating me, but I am not good enough, but he's just motivating me.
Yeah. Right.
That's
So you're getting it?
yes, sir.
So the moment you are willing to accept that, hello, every time this I am not good enough comes up, every time it comes up, what should you be saying? Hello, oh, that's an interesting point of view, my friend. और फिर भी नहीं जाता है तो you can do this crazy statement. This is one of, interesting point of view and crazy statement. These are all from access consciousness. All right. So what is the crazy statement which we told you a little while ago? Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. So say it along with me. All of you say it. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of, and it will help you to get out of your stuck point of view.
Okay. So what this statement really means? Everything the opposite of appears to be.
That's the thing. That's what it means. It is a bheja fry statement.
Yes, it is bheja fry statement.
That is why it's called a crazy statement, because you're so stuck in your point of view, na?
Yes. So
right. At least you can say, okay, Baba, that's my point of view. It is not the truth. It is just my point of view. Interesting point of view. It's an interesting point of view that a fellow like Sagar thinks he's not good enough. Sagar will have a YouTube channel. He's having so many followers, but he's not good enough. That is so next time you introduce to people also, you should say, hi, my name is Sagar Acharya. I'm not good enough. My name is Sagar Acharya. I'm not good enough. My name is Sagar Acharya. I'm not good enough. When you meet your girlfriend, say, hi, Bindu. I'm Sagar and I'm not good enough. So after some time, you'll see that it's just an absurd point of view that you have. It's only a point of view. It's not the truth, my friend.
It's not the truth.
हमारा problem क्या है? हम अपनी मान्यताओं को सच का दर्जा देते हैं. We treat our beliefs as the truth. We treat our points of view as the truth. They are not the truth.
belief
What
are
is
not
the point of view?
belief are not truth. Yes.
Yeah,
Means
it's
what
only a point of view. What
is
is
the
a
only
belief?
yes,
Belief क्या होता है? It's only a point of view, ना?
right.
आपकी हर मान्यता है क्या? It's only a point of view. एक दृष्टिकोण है आपका.
Hmm.
You look at something and you say, oh, it means I'm a useless fellow. Okay. Is it written somewhere? God came and told you you are not good enough?
No.
God makes only perfect things, sir. But in my case, a little mistake was made by him. भगवान से थोड़ा गलती हो गया था मेरे को बनाने के लिए. So I'm not good enough. Everybody else is good enough. I'm not, sir. Why?
Hardware error.
God has made mistake in my case, sir. So
It's
I'm
not
not good enough.
God have. I don't know there is God or not, but God, nobody have written, that you are not good enough. The people and the society and the family, in
Exactly.
the relationship, we feel that.
Yeah, that's what happens, no? क्योंकि हमारे लोग तो कोई तारीफ करते नहीं है बचपन से. कोई गधे, तेरे को उल्लू, को अकल नहीं है क्या? ऐसे काम करते हैं. कुछ नहीं आता तेरे को, कुछ जिंदगी में कुछ नहीं करेगा तू. बेकार आदमी, इधर उधर टाइम वेस्ट करता रहता है. कोई ढंग का काम किया आज तक जिंदगी में? ऐसे ही बोलते हैं हमारे लोग. And we believe it. You see,
True.
that's the sad. If you ask them, why are you talking to your child like that? कहीं बिगड़ ना जाए. मेरा बेटा बिगड़ ना जाए. He should not get spoiled. They do it out of love. But they,
Yes.
what are we thinking? We develop a point of view. The point of view is, I'm not good enough. I'm a useless fellow. I have to prove to the world that I'm not a useless fellow. Don't worry. We all had the same point of view when we were, I had that point of view till I was 27 years old. Okay. So you're in good company.
Yes, I am in good company.
So what should you do next time this thought comes in your mind? You simply say, wow, this is an interesting point of view.
Mm.
And it's
Just a-
interesting that I have such a point of view.
Yes.
And if it still does not go, then you do the crazy statement 10 times. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. 10 times karne ka. Okay? Yes, Milanji.
Sir,
Thank you, sir.
I was just trying to figure out this statement of yours, everything is opposite of nothing it appears to be. Can we frame it in a affirmative way? Can we?
No, this is not an affirmation.
I'm
Why
saying,
should you put it in an affirmative way?
that's what I'm saying. Can we put it? I mean, this
No.
is something, this is a negative way. It cannot be.
No.
I failed it. Yeah, I failed.
No.
So I thought probably I'll have it bounce.
Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be.
Thank
Even
you.
if you understand it literally, it has a lot of meaning in it. Everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. It's all an illusion. Ye sab maya jaal hai.
True. On a lighter note, I had a boss in some part of my career where whatever you say, he's going to say the opposite thing. Supposing I wanted to go to Delhi, maybe there was some official work and also some personal thing I wanted to mix. So I would go and tell him, look, there is some work over there, but I don't want to go to Delhi. He'll immediately say, you go to Delhi. I had built on that wherever I was working under him.
I think Rama, he must have been a humanoid. Tell like that. If you want a humanoid to do something, say something opposite of that. So we have to tell Abhinav, Abhinav, you should say, I am a useless fellow.
I am a useless fellow, यार.
फिर तुम बहुत बढ़िया हो जाओगे. उसका
हाँ,
opposite
I
करना
am a
पड़ेगा.
useless fellow.
तो जब भी पापा को मिलोगे ना जाके सुबह, गुड मॉर्निंग पापा, आई एम अ यूजलेस फेलो. गुड मॉर्निंग पापा, आई एम अ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट एज अ सन. पापा, आई एम अ डिसअपॉइंटमेंट एज अ सन. Good morning, Papa. The biggest mistake you made in your life was giving birth to a son like me.
हाँ.
बोलेंगे इसका भेजा फ्राई हो गया, पागल हो गया.
पागल हो गया, हाँ.
बोलेंगे अभी
बेटा,
और तरीका नहीं मिला
बेटा,
है तो तंग करने
हाँ,
के लिए.
बाप बोलेगा, बेटा ये मैंने जो पूरी बार बना के रखी है, कुछ भी पी ले इसमें से.
मेरा भेजा फ्राई मत कर सुबह सुबह. See, I'll tell you something very interesting. The moment you can see your point of view as a point of view, then it has no hold over you, then you can even joke about it.
Absolutely.
You get it? Suppose you are so free. I mean, what you don't care. Yeah? See, now if you have a point of view that I am not good enough, you will dare not go and tell anybody this, you know?
Yeah.
Because you have to prove that you are good enough. Huh? एक दिखावा का जिंदगी जीते. So suppose you say, यार, I'm not good enough. So, I'm not good enough. चलो कर लो जो करना है. Yes, very well, sir.
Sir, good morning, sir. Good morning, everyone. Fantastic discussion, so profound. I am just tempted to say.
Firstly, your default mode is fantastic discussion, so profound. You are banned from saying these two words in this meeting.
Excellent. Thank you. But it is like I can't say. Okay, sir. Let me get into that. I have a different point of view, which may give little help to others, especially to Mr. Abhinav. I will say with a Tamil poem on a romantic song, and I will try to establish that. That goes this way. Unpol Samathu Ulagini Lille. It's a girl sings towards a lover. Unpol Samathu Ulagini Lille. Kadalan Samathu Kadalil Tollai. The meaning goes this way. You are the nicest person in the whole world. But only problem in love and romance is being nice. She feels that problem. And one more thing I want to establish. That girl will not say in a romantic perspective, she will not say that what you have to do to make her happy. It is your job to go wild, go out of the rules and make her happy. It is your duty. She will never say that. Same thing, if there is a point of view, we are so good to that. Maybe my father or some of our father out of love or out of their own this thing, they will not say that you should go wild, you break the rule, come back to me, make me proud, something like that. But they will not say that. But it is our duty to break that, make them come back to them. That something that I'm just getting this, sir, from this poem. Certain point of view, we are so good to that point of view that we are losing other choices.
Yeah, that's why it's called a stuck point of view.
Stuck point of. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Very nice. And by the way, you know something, Abhinav and Sagar, I completely understand your angst. You know, I can resonate with it because I suffered from it myself. Okay. But the freedom comes when you realize that it's only a point of view. और ये बार-बार आएगा. It will come into your mind from time to time. Whenever it comes, you say, wow, that's an interesting point of view you have, my dear. And if it still doesn't go, do the crazy statement. This crazy statement is one of the most powerful tools from Access. You know, everything is the opposite of what it appears to be, and nothing is the opposite of what it appears to be. So your bheja will get so fried, it will stop believing the point of view that you have. Hello, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, thank you very much for a wonderful participation today. Of course, we will have a richer participation if more people participate and speak up. Yeah. But then even if you don't speak, you are getting the value from here. So remember, what is the point of view that is keeping you stuck in life? So the major stuckness that we have is due to some point of view, which we may be knowing, which may not be knowing. So keep working on this question. What is the point of view that keeps me stuck in life? What is my point of view that keeps me stuck in my life? So on that note, guys, the time is 8:30, time to close. Thank you very much for your participation.
I have one point of view, sir.
What's that?
Based on the photograph what you have given today. So I would like to say something, one small couplet.
Of course, we forgot. By the way, you all will be very happy to know that Commodore Kuldeep Chaturvedi went home yesterday from the hospital.
Oh, very
He's
good.
recovering well, and I hope he's able to join us in a day or two.
Alhamdulillah, very good.
All right, so go ahead. क्योंकि आप दोनों की शायरी तो हम बहुत मिस करते हैं.
Yeah. So अर्ज क्या है कि शाखों से टूट जाएं वो पत्ते नहीं हैं हम. शाखों से टूट जाएं वो पत्ते नहीं हैं हम. आंधी से कोई कह दे कि औकात में रहे.
Can you translate that?
Translation is difficult, but let me
Why
try.
not? One. Okay, what is the difficult in it?
Nothing.
We are not those leaves which will fly off in a storm.
Yeah.
तो आंधी से क्या कहते हैं?
औकात में रहे.
हाँ. मतलब I'm not scared of you.
Yes. So
You're telling-
I'm not so weak that anything will get me away
Blow
from
me
a
away.
branch. Yeah.
I'm
शाखों
not
से
so weak
टूट
that you can
जाए.
blow me away.
Yeah.
So don't try to mess with me, oh storm.
Yes.
औकात में रहे, more or less, के don't mess with me, right?
Don't mess with me. Yeah.
Yeah. So the leaf is telling the storm, don't mess with me. I'm not such a weak fellow that you can blow me away,
Yes.
right? Don't mess with me. So you can tell your points of view also. Don't mess with me, my point of views. All right. So wonderful, magnificent, extraordinary people. Appreciate and acknowledge yourself. Right. God bless you. Have a great day. Have a great week and a great life. And see you tomorrow morning.
Thank you, sir. Love you all. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Jai Hind. Thank
Jai
you.
Hind.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.